So first things first, you want to identify which of the stalks have passed and which ones are going to still bloom. You definitely don't want to be chopping off any of the new blooms. So how to differentiate that is the blooms that are going to be coming soon are more round, spherical. So they look a little bit more like little cute little balls, as opposed to the ones that have passed, which are more conical, kind of to a point at the end. This one is a nice cute little round ball, and then this one is more like a cone kind of. And there's a new one forming right here. You can see that there's some dried petals here, so that's obviously a really good indicator as well. So that's one that has passed. So here's another spot here where it has these 3 stalks. These have all passed. 1, 2, and 3. See, there's even down here, there's a little itsy bitsy one coming. See, it is a little tricky. This one I don't believe has passed. If you look inside, see, it's still opening up. See in there? So that one has not passed. See, it's really good to pay attention. This one, see how it's got all these little frizzy guys there, just like in the actual bloom? That one has passed, so we're gonna cut that one off. Again, this guy, it looks like he's just starting to pop. But down here, this one has passed. See, if I open it up, you can see that this is all kind of faded. Here's another 1, 2, 3. They have all passed. This one is coming, and this one has passed. This one is nice and round, it's still coming. This one is on its way. This one's just starting to open up. And then same here, here we go. This one has passed. Can even open it up, show you, see all the little kind of dried up petals in there. And you can see this one here, lots of new blooms coming on this stalk as well. So here's another one here that has passed. See how it's more conical? As you can see, it's a little tricky. They're all in different stages, and I really want to make sure I allow the ones that are just starting to bloom to actually get that beautiful bloom out and not clip them before their time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found the video interesting and helpful. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more gardening adventures and tips just like this. Thanks again, and happy gardening.